Hey guys, I just wanted to hop back on because I just did my full face and I covered up my gross little scar I had there and a pimple that I had here. And I showed you guys how to contour your lips and make your lips look fuller. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can click on the video before this one. But I just wanted to hop back on because I did not fill in my brows and I've never filled in my eyebrows with contour before. And I want to do that for the first time with you guys. Okay? So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I need 1,000 subscribers so that I could do a live video. And I really want to get to know you guys. I want you guys to get to know me and ask me questions and things like that. So please, please, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I would so appreciate it. If you guys are interested in any of the makeup that I'm using, you can fill out my color match form, which will always be in the description box of any of my videos. I do have other products that are going to be listed there too. You can click on those links and a link to my Facebook page so you guys can check everything else out. Okay, so let's get started. So this right here is Cola. Cola is a contour color. Okay, it is extremely dark. Okay, it is so meant for your eyebrows. Okay, so I think I clearly used it. I just don't know when, honestly. Okay, so this is the line brush, okay? I also used our brow wax yesterday, which I would be happy to use again today if you guys would like. But I want to try to use the contour, and I'm gonna try to get up close. Yesterday, when I did my eyebrows, I was standing and I moved. So let's try this. Actually, I think I'm gonna play it safe and use another mirror. So, but look, so I fluffed my eyebrows up and I totally did that, and I had mascara on there. So I gotta just brush that away. See, there you go. Sorry. Okay, so I just literally dabbed right into my contour color. This is Cola. Okay, so, and you want to first map out what you're doing. Okay. Map out what you're doing first. This way you can go back in and fill it. Okay? See how dark this is? Whew. My eyebrows are dark. Okay. So this is honestly my very first time filling in my eyebrows with contour. I think I used this contour color before. It actually might have been for an eyeliner. I think that's what I did. But we also do have eyeliner too, just so you know. And it's in a little thing like the eyeshadows, and they are magnetic and they can absolutely fit into your compact, okay? Your beautiful magnetic compact. Okay? Okay. So I'm gonna tell you right now that I really like this. Wow. Because if you guys saw my video of me using the brow wax and I was filling in my eyebrows, I was struggling because I'm not an expert. I never have been. But this is this just makes it so much easier. I think I like it. You see? I like to go back and forth too, so that like I like get everything that's like in between. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Why did I not do this before? Holy smokes. Wow. Listen. I just completely found my new love, okay? Look how great that looks. Wow. You see that? Sorry, I'm just like trying to do like the hair like strokes, you know? And just like filling in. Wow. Look how nice that is. Seriously. And I was seriously struggling with this eyebrow yesterday, if you guys remember. I was like, oh no, I can't. I just can't. Okay, so let's go into the eyebrow that likes me, because this one kind of liked me today. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay, so going to line underneath, right on top. See, this one's definitely not going to take me as long as this one did. Just because this eyebrow, I don't know. I like over plucked one day, okay? And it's like completely uneven. The hair doesn't even grow back. Like, I don't even know. All right, so. Wow, this is like, I only put a little bit on when I like first went to go use it because I was so afraid that like I wouldn't like it. But now I can like put it on the brush and it goes on so much smoother. Like now that I have like enough product, because I was just so scared, you know? So this is like, this is legit, guys. This is so amazing. I cannot believe that I did not use this before. Seriously. Okay, so now I just want to go and fill in those little hairs. Seriously, and I've been struggling with like trying to find like a good eyebrow pencil. I don't know why I never used the contour before. I think I was always just like, oh my God, like it's like a cream. But listen, you can totally set this with a powder, you know? I'm gonna get up close too for you guys, don't worry. Well. Seriously. It's like. Seriously, guys, like, I don't even know. Okay? I really don't even know. This is so great. I cannot believe that I've never used this before. I'm seriously, like, in shock right now. Like, in shock. Wow. Looks so good. Okay. So, you guys see? Sorry for being like all up close and personal. Ooh. But look, I love it. Oh, do you want to lift your eyebrow? Show you that trick too. So I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is the multitasker. It definitely lives up to his name. And I'm going to take Sabrina, and I'm just gonna go right under my brow bone. Okay? I totally got some in my eyebrow. It's okay, because I could just go back in with my contour. Okay. So, I'm just gonna use this mirror. So you wanna go right under your brow bone, okay? And it kind of gives you that like lift. You can go all the way under if you want, okay? Do you see how nice it looks? So now we do this eye. Okay. Sorry, I'm like afraid like not to look into my mirror. You see how like you get that nice little like lift? Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Seriously, now I gotta change my compact around because I don't have like, not that I don't have room. I can always like switch out my compact color. Sorry, my hair, there's always like some craziness going on. But seriously guys, this was from my contour. Now it is a cream, okay? However, our contour colors are a little bit more on the dry side than the other creams. So it doesn't, you know, you can absolutely go in and set it with a powder if you want to, which I'm not going to right now because I am like totally loving this right now. Okay. And you can absolutely go in with your brow wax. If you guys are interested in the brow wax too, you can look at my video 2 videos ago, I believe. But this is like, this is good. I like this. This is so much easier. I mean, I love the filling in my eyebrows with the eyeshadow that I was using. Again, I don't know why I've never used the contour before. I really don't. And I know a lot of people that do. It just, seriously, made my life that much easier. Okay. That's great. I'm so excited. I'm totally adding this to my compact. So thank you guys so much for watching. Okay. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers here. I want to go live. Anything that you guys can do to help, I would totally appreciate it. Comment below of things that you would like to see from me. I will do just about anything, okay? I love trying new things. I really want you guys to get to know me. I want to get to know you guys. Comment below also where you're from. And if you would like a free color match from me, I would be happy to help you. My color match form will be linked in this description box of this video, all of my videos for that matter. Okay, it takes like 30 seconds to fill out, so please fill it out and go check out my other links. Okay, thanks guys. I'll see you next time.